Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this black and white plaid tablecloth that is a rectangular oil water resistant tablecloth which protects your kitchen table. This is a 60 by 102 inch. Alright, so right here we received our black and white tablecloth. This one here is offered in several different colors. You do have this one right here, which is black and white plaid. They have blue and orange, black and red, taupe and white. You've got a jungle, solid black, solid gray. You've got green, pink, navy blue, red, taupe, white. You got the American colors, and you have several different other colors. So they also do offer this in several different sizes. This is the 60 by 102 inch. This one is super nice. I had purchased this one because it is water resistant, which is a bonus, so we don't have to worry about our table getting messed up. So this is a multi-use for 8 to 10 sheet rectangular shaped tabletops, most folding for buffet tables, picnic tables, or kitchen tables. So this is a really nice, it has got really nice stitching, as you can see. It looks really nice. I do have the matching placemats that go with this, but you can see the nice little stitching right here. It's really thick, so when you spill any water or anything on this, it does not wet your table. So you can clean it up by just blotting it or wiping it clean. It is spill proof, stain resistant, scratch proof, so you don't have to worry about it staining or scratching, and you don't have to worry about your table getting all wet. So this is what it looks like from this side of the table to this side of the table. This one is a little bit longer for my table, but I like to have them extra long, so it looks really nice. You don't have to worry about your table getting all wet or being scratched. So this is great for like picnic tables, kitchen tables, serving tables. They do have several different sizes, so if you don't like yours long at the ends like this one, they do have other options to choose from. But this one here, I like it. It's really nice. It's soft. When you flip this over on the other side, you can see that it is waterproof, so if you spill anything on top, you don't have to worry about it getting down to your table, because it does have a pad part on the bottom which keeps it safe. If you're looking for a nice tablecloth and you're into the checkered black and white color, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This one's a super nice tablecloth, and it does hold up to water.